Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about something called the ORAC rating, okay? This is basically the capacity of antioxidants to fight free radical damage. Free radical damage basically alters the stability of the cell membrane, so it can really throw off the whole cell. The cell is constantly fighting to stay whole, but free radical damage from pollution, from UV light, from radiation can disrupt this. Now, ORAC values do not measure the specific type of phytonutrients. They don't measure the amount of phytonutrients. So there's different aspects of antioxidants or phytonutrients. So I just wanted to focus on this one aspect of phytonutrients, okay? If you look at chili powder, it's 23,000. That's pretty high. Broccoli is only like 1,300. Thyme is 27,000. Black pepper, 27,000. Ginger, 28,000. Pecans, 17,000. Pecans have the highest ORAC value of any nut. Sage, 32,000. Curry, 48,000. Basil, 67,000. Parsley, 74,000. Cumin, 67,000. Cocoa powder, which is 80,000. Turmeric, 159,000. Oregano is 200,000, which is really good for an antibacterial, antifungus. It does create a little bit of a detox on some people, and that's why I recommend grapefruit seed extract instead, but this is a really good antimicrobial. Cinnamon, which is also really good for diabetes and blood sugars, 267,000. Clove at 314,000. This has the highest ORAC value. So if I look at this whole scene, there's one thing that just kind of pops out, and that is that most of these things are spices, okay? And certain spices go together. Cocoa powder, cinnamon, and clove. I'm going to put a link down below of a kind of a nut granola that we made with cocoa, cinnamon, clove. So you can make that. These are very, very high. So I put a couple links down below so you can get more information on this, but definitely start adding more spices to your food. Thanks for watching. Hey, tell me what you think about this video. Go ahead and comment below and give me your feedback.